Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
We are doing some numericals, no?
Yes, sir.
Take some problem.
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Any idea?
Hmm.
Sir, we can find the particles where it stops, sir, by using the kinematic equation.
No, you can use work done by all forces equals change in kinetic energy. Here it is given
For the guiding force.
That means other forces are not there as per the question. He has given particularly, and he did not mention whether the body is moving, friction is there, nothing.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, here what is the work? It's a variable force now. What will do?
Yes, sir. Minus x integral minus a.
Final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. This is the A. Finally, he says it is at rest.
Half mv square.
Agreed.
Agreed.
So here it is at the origin initially.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It it will stop say at x. Okay, so x is equal to some x van minus a.
X
X
square
square
plus
by 2 minus 0.
Agreed. From which you can get x now.
yes, sir. We can get.
Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You're right. You're right, sir. It's, yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
1 minute, sir. Sir, completed, sir.
See, the next aspect is called potential energy. This is basically an energy. See, kinetic energy means due to motion. But when
Yes,
a body is not moving, still it has potential energy. Do you agree with this or not?
agree, sir.
Why? Because, see, when two passes are there, say this is coming over here, okay? It is going up. Definitely, some work is done in lifting the particle. No?
Yes, sir. Some work is done.
Now, here the particle initially is here. This is at rest. Now, also it is at rest. That means the particle is not gaining any kinetic energy. Then what happened to the work that we are doing? We are doing work means energy is being supplied. Where is that energy? Understood this? So that energy by virtue of position is called as potential energy. See, potential energy, kinetic energy means you can see body is moving. Potential energy is only by virtue of position. Understood or not?
Yes.
Clear? Say for example, I have attachment with my mother and my mother has attachment with me. Does she have an attachment with the neighbor's child? Obviously no. Reason is my position being born with her has some attachment. That means that attachment is by virtue of position. Agreed or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear? That means by virtue of position also a system will have energy. Understood this or not? Now, potential energy, kinetic energy is an absolute property. A body of mass m is moving. It is having a kinetic energy of half mv square. Potential energy is not a property of the body. It is a property of the field. In between which field is there, man?
Gravitational field.
Gravitational field. So whenever you this potential energy is a property of the field, because of this field only, whatever work you are doing, this field will be a field is created here or not. In that field, that energy will be there. When you leave it, what will happen? The particle comes down now.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
when it is moving up, you are lifting. That means you are supplying energy. While coming, it comes by itself. Nobody are lifting, no.
Nobody are lifting, sir.
That means where from the who is supplying the energy? When you are lifting, your biological energy you are supplying to the particle to lift it up. When you are leaving it, who is giving that energy for the particle for motion? That means this field is supplying energy. That field does work by virtue of this field. That means there is a field here, gravitational field. This will be having gravitational force exerts gravitational force, and this does work on particle. So the particle gains k, you know.
Yes, sir. Gains potential. As
Understood this? Now, where from this field has that energy? Work done by us is stored where?
stored in the particle.
Agreed or not? Clear? That means a field which separates two entities and binds them has what? An energy called potential energy. You might have seen in your chemistry also, this is the nucleus, there is an electron. They are binded here. Okay, so you have that energy between them. You have seen, I think, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus E Z E by R square for n equals to 1. Sorry,
Yes, sir.
R.
Okay.
Remember this? That means there is an electrostatic field. So whenever there is a field, there is an energy. I'll give an analogy. For example, you are there, your mother is there. You will get up, for example, now for class sake you are getting up. Otherwise, if assume that you will get up at 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, afternoon 3 o'clock, 8 o'clock and all. Why you will get up like that? And why mother will get up early morning and cooks and all, prepares food and all for you people to eat? That means there is an inner field binding the mother and the family of family members. Do you agree with this? In that field has some energy. Due to that energy, she is getting that force. That force is provoking her to do all the household work. Understood this? Clear or not? Now the same mother goes to an alien place where she doesn't know anything. She doesn't have that force to do. Obviously, agreed or not? Clear
Yes,
now, for example, you are there. You are an entity. There is something called IIT. There is a field between that. You want to do enter into IIT means you have to get some energy to do work and then you'll go there now. That means any two entities that are separated to they'll be having some energy. That means any two particles that are binded by any force. It may be electrostatic force, magnetic force, gravitational force. Whenever two particles are binded by a field or attached, binding means not with rope and all. Okay, followed. Any particle lifted up, it automatically falls. Do you think Earth is connected with a rope, there a particle? No, there is something called field. Okay, this field, for example, two people are playing tennis. Okay, now whenever this fellow hit, this fellow runs now. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
whenever this fellow hits now. Now whenever he is hitting, can he go away?
No.
No, sir.
As long as there is an exchange of that shuttle, Rashid, what will happen? There will be definitely the people are binded now. That means whenever there is an exchange of particles continuously, followed any microscopic particle, the two entities which are exchanging are binded. These two people are exchanging something like a ball, a shuttlecock. These two entities are exchanging it one shuttlecock. Therefore, they are binded. Do you agree with this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Followed this? And remember that inside the nucleus also, understood? There is nothing like protons. Okay, followed? If
Yes.
protons are there, all the protons will repel each other, they'll go away due to repulsion. Why they are not moving apart? Because in reality, there is nothing inside like protons or neutrons. It is a nonsense. At that time, when Bohr doesn't know anything, he started that. Of course, he is because he initiated that, he showed some path. So we have to accept his theory. Using that theory, we have again found more research has done. So remember that there is something called as mesons. These mesons are continuously exchanged. For example, there is something called proton. The proton is not a proton permanently. That's why proton-proton repulsion will be less. This is neutron. Okay, this will give out one muson. Which muson it will give? It will absorb, sorry. It will absorb on pi minus and becomes a neutron. Similarly, a neutron will be absorbing one pi plus and it will become a proton. So, like that, a continuous exchange of mesons takes place inside the nucleus. Followed. That is the reason why all the protons are together without going away. That means exchange forces are created which bind the particle. Similarly, there is something called gravitons. Okay, you'll see in your elementary particles. They are around 260 or 280 elementary particles so far detected. These gravitons also continuously exchange throughout the universe, irrespective of we cannot see them. But due to this exchange of particles, there is some field created. That field binds two particles. Understood this? So, whenever gravitational field is an exchange field, it is created due to exchange of what? Gravitons. Clear? Similarly, the inside the nucleus, mesons are being exchanged continuously. Therefore, you have something called as the nuclear field. Because of that only, you have short range forces, all van der Waals, all that you have studied now. Okay, let us not go much into that. That means, remember, whenever there is exchange of particles and their particles are binded, there is a field. That field possesses some energy. That energy is called as potential energy. Understood this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now this is a brief introduction. So most of these things we studied in chemistry, so I don't dwell into that. So let us go to the basic thing. Here, now potential field should have a property. What is that property? Whatever energy you are supplying, you should give back to the particle. For example, this is the ground level. Okay, you are lifting it. It goes here. Okay. Now here you can see the velocity is 0. But somewhere it has some velocity v1 now. Hello.
Yes.
You have seen that particle while coming down also has the same velocity. Did you ever? We learned this in kinematics. At
Yes.
any position, velocity, speed while going up is equal to speed while coming down. Did you ever? We remember kinematics recollected?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
At any point, speed while going up is equal to speed while coming down. You heard of this, I think. I think, remember, I think. Right,
Yes,
let us
sir.
come back. Why?
Sir.
Here, while going up, you are doing work, you are supplying. Return also, who is giving? Gravitational field. That means whatever you are doing, that energy, gravitational field is stored. While returning, again it is giving. It's just like you are giving some money to your mother. Your mother, whenever you need your mother, is exactly returning it. So that such fields are called as conservative fields. Okay, for example, you gave to your mother some money, she returns back, she spends money, then that is not a conservative nature. But remember, the forces, some forces are there. The field, conservative forces will exert which one? Conservative forces. A field always will be acting by means of a force. Okay. For example, your mother is conservative, you give money, she keeps. You ask me, she returns. So that giving and returning is a type of exchange only, no? So now come back to one body. Suppose this is motion, this is friction. Now, when you are going like this, friction is there. Agreed. Now you cannot recover that energy. The reason is immediately after you rub two bodies, what will happen? Friction creates what? Heat. If you rub two hands, see what will happen? It will become here. Hotter, no? Warm, no?
Yes, sir.
In winter,
Yes, sir.
mostly you rub your hand. Why? Because to create heat. That means frictional field is non-conservative because that energy is turned into heat. That heat you cannot recover back. Suppose the body is moving, you are getting here. Suppose in doing this, the work done is 2 joules. It is totally going into heat. How much is that? 2 joules, for example. Now, if you use a matchstick and give 2 joules to it, it won't come back. Agreed? That means frictional forces are non-conservative forces. Understood this? Gravitational fields are conservative. Now the question is, sir, you are giving beautiful names and all. How to test a force is conservative or not? Okay. Let us turn this.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we define a conservative field force like this. One second. Potential energy is a virtue of what?
Yes, position.
Potential energy. Generally, we use the symbol U. Is a function of what?
Position.
Position. Generally, position means what we take x, y. That is what we take as per our
Time.
coordinate system. No.
Yes, sir.
See,
Correct.
for example, Modi is there. Is Modi having any potential to do anything?
No, sir.
He is Chaiwala, hopeless fellow only. No. That Modi sits in a chair called Prime Minister. That is giving the position to him due to which he is having that energy of position called potential energy. So we say Modi is a highly potential person. He can make things to do. Right? What Modi says an IAS officer can do. But if I say, they'll guess I get it, who are you to tell? Reason is I am not having that position of that Prime Minister post. That means a position always gives you some energy to see that, ensure that work is being done. Understood this? So remember that potential energy is a position of X within a field. Understood this or not?
Understood,
Understood,
sir.
sir.
Don't go by dirty formulas. Potential energy, MGH. Potential energy, MGH is itself wrong. The first teachers introduced. That's why you can see so far rarely used for MGH. If you observe from beginning to now, why? Because that is one nonsense created by school teachers. Potential is MGH. I don't know who created that nonsense. It is totally a nonsense. Okay, let us see. Okay, like showing moon in water during childhood, our mother used to tell this is moon. We used to believe. So you are believing in that, but now at this stage, I should not give that as an IIT faculty. So first, let us see what is potential energy, where it has. So there is something. So we define this. Okay, if you have a force, any force, you take. See, remember this is d by dx of x square, or we take xy. What you will do, man?
Yes,
X
sir.
into dy by dx plus y into dx by dx. Agreed. So what you have here, dy by dx plus y. Similarly, if I write something like this, partial derivative, what is this?
Half.
This is called dou by dou x. Dou by dou x.
Yes, sir.
Dou by dou x of xy. This is d by dx. Okay, dx. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Of xy. This is what we pronunciate like this. This is same, but whenever we are taking this called partial derivative. Okay, you never heard of this, I think. You heard, no? The differentiation is
Yes, sir.
completed at least.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In chemistry, Aristotle do by do.
Right, variety. Okay, math person will not teach. Now come back to this. What is constant man here? Then what you do know, this is treated as a variable. Rest all are constant. Treat this as constant. Same thing. That means what you'll have, y can be taken out because constant can be taken out. No, this is y.
Yes, sir.
Followed. For example, dou by dou x of x square y z cube. You take just this as constant.
Dou by dou x.
So that's all. Other things are variables. Suppose I take dou by dou y of x square y z cube. You take these as constants. That is x square z cube. And take this as dou by dou z of x square y z cube. This is x square y dou by dou z of z cube. X square y 3z square. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Clear or not?
Yes.
Followed?
Followed, sir.
Right. Now, similarly, see, if you have a function, if you differentiate this with respect to x and take the negative sign, you should get the x component of force. If you differentiate like this, you should get y component of force. Z, you should get z component of force. Then we can get the force. What is that force equation, force function?
Fx.
Understood this, what I am saying?
Yes, understood. Okay.
So such a force is called as a conservative force. Understood, understood this? Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes,
Shall I turn this?
Yes,
1
sir.
minute, sir.
1 minute.
Now I gave like this now.
Yes, sir.
Agreed. This one.
Yes, sir.
This is only your maths now. Now as a physics teacher, I gave this because I cannot go into entire math leaving physics. In mathematics, you should know why you are doing like this, what is the meaning, where you have to apply all that. You idiots are simply mugging that formula. That is the reason why you are unable to apply in physics. That applied mathematics part, you are weak, because of which you are feeling physics difficult. The application part, math people won't do and you won't ask. That is the problem. Main headache I am getting is that why you do this, what is the meaning of, this is called partial differentiation. You people only doesn't, differentiation meaning only you don't know. You will say limit of x tends to plus 0 plus 2, x tends to 0 minus 2. And you will say x equals to 0 is not same as x tends to 0. But in the problem finally in the place of x you will substitute 0. Do you agree what I am saying?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Why, sir?
In limits you see,
Sir, we do, sir.
you will say x tends to 0 is not same as x equals to 0. But in the numericals part of limits you can see you will make some cancellations. Again you substitute x is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
statement is contradicting the very statement what you have defined. X tends to 0 is not same as x equals to 0. Okay, but you substitute x equals to 0 in all the problems you have done. See,
Yes.
it is a controversy. Why you are doing means there is lot of the concept in that actually. The problem is without learning, you people formulas, mugging, you are coming. That's why this became difficult. Very few people will dwell into that. Those are the people who are called as proudly as IITians. There are 10,000 IIT seats, man, total in India. In that, the core branches seats are around 3,000. In that, top IIT seats are around 400. So that means see the depth of competition required and how much work you have to do. And see what you are doing. And one more thing is, this knowledge is very much essential to progress in life. Now, just for fun sake, they did not keep this now. If that is the case, they can keep some novels, no, Hardy Boys, all the childhood novels in syllabus now. Mills and Bones,
Yes.
many authors are there now.
Yes,
Chetan
sir.
Bhagat, all these novels they can keep in syllabus now. And they can ask questions on that. On page number 245, the second para, third line, Chetan Bhagat says, they can give 4 options now. Why they kept only these in syllabus is these are essential. And you will be seeing some topics wherein in second year will come. There are some topics only for mains. They are not in IIT. Around 11 topics are there. Advanced exam you don't have. Why? Because IIT is conducted, sorry, mains is conducted by NTA. Advanced is conducted by IITs. So IITs removed those things with a simple reason that those chapters which are there in mains, they are not having the full mathematical reasoning. So IITs thought we cannot test anything, remove them. So why I am saying all this is first to develop that reasoning skills, anything. Okay. You know why you are eating, what for we are eating, you better metabolic reaction, that food will be taken as energy into your body, blood cells will grow, all that story. Okay. Without that a dog eats, a labor fellow will eat. But there is a difference. So we know what to eat, what not to eat. But the dog don't know anything. Of course, she too smells, if it doesn't taste, she'll leave. So learning without reasoning is like an animal only. Without reasoning, why you are eating? Many times I'm saying all students, the problem is that only reasoning skills development, nothing. Only thing is formula, problem, one method will be there. If you change that method, nothing will be there. In physics, you can have multiple methods. What you do in math is formula, this we do. First you will write S1, then you will reverse that. Again you will multiply with y means to get the answer. I don't know what is that. If really mathematics thought like that, today the world will not be in this position. No?
Yes, sir.
Unfortunately, the disease started in schools. So marks, and total education field is spoiled. You know one person called Ravindranath Tagore?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who is he, man?
He's poet.
National anthem.
Some fellow, huh?
Sir, poet.
He got Nobel Prize for poetry. You know that now?
Yes, sir.
Literature. Okay. Now let me tell. So far, no, still his university is there. You're aware of that?
Yes, sir. Shanti Niketan.
So far, there is no entrance exam, nothing in Shantiniketan. You know that? There are no exams also. You go and join, they'll take some attributes and they'll give you. Okay? After that, they themselves will award you, which is recognized world, because they have seen many things and then they will award. There is no schedule, no syllabus, nothing. After that, our UGC, all that came. NTA, IIT, Academy, what is all nonsense, and they started giving schedules. This year we should finish that schedule, that exam. After the correcting of the scheduling in education, we did not get one Nobel Prize. You know that?
Yes, sir.
So after that, nothing. Before that, free education. There is no schedules and all. That's why we got Nobel laureates. Now schedules have come now. We are made all human beings into machines. Total thinking skills were killed. Okay, and now it is becoming a business. Even in MIT and all, they won't be like this. There is no schedules and all. You're aware of that? In US, MIT and all, we don't have this nonsense of scheduling. This week you complete that exam, you have to conduct all this. Only in India we got this.
Yes, sir.
Now, why? Because we are ruled by colonials, no? British people.
Yes, sir.
So they have given everything so that we don't grow and we depend upon them. And we are adopting. And one of the colonialization idiots are Chaitanya Narayana. They spoil students to the best without recognition. They'll catch hold of the talented people who are successful in Olympiad and all. They keep one back. So around 80 students, their rank they'll publish. 2.5 lakhs children are joining, seeing that one single advertisement. Abdullah Umair God doesn't mean that everybody will get in MS. Any sense is there in that? A knows B, B knows C. So A knows C. That is called mathematics. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Followed. Suppose Subbarao knows Apparao, Apparao knows Venkatrao. It doesn't mean that Subbarao knows Venkatrao. No. That is human relations. So I
Yes,
don't
sir.
know what is this nonsense. That fellow got rank, I'll join there, I'll get rank. And some people will be asking how many ranks this college got. What is that nonsense? Any sense is there?
No, sir.
And then many people will go to religious places. For example, you have your own sacred religious place like that. So do you think all the people who visit that sacred place will get whatever they want? Huh? Nothing. God knows whom to give, what to give, at what time. So this is another nonsense. Education, children are also, no reasoning, nothing. Syllabus completed, that's over. Portion over. Otherwise, I'm seeing man, 70 marks to get in that useless paper I am giving. You can ask Umar if you Abdullah, I'll give the numbers. Ask them to post one paper of theirs. How difficult I used to give. Physical classes, no? Very tough I used to give. Finally, they could sustain all that rigor. Why means they have some attribute basically. At that time, even Afzal used to involve. Now this online, nobody involved. It's all movie screen, no? Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now the moral of the story is, all the discussion is, know the reasoning skills, become an IIT. Okay, right.
Yes,
You will talk about Sundar Pichai, Sachin Nadella, those people have reasoning skills. Man. So somebody will say that Sundar Pichai studied in this IIT, that's why he became like this. Sachin Nadella studied in Manipal, that's why he became like this. That is nonsense. You study somewhere, nothing. It's your reasoning skills that should be developed. That needs patience. You can develop anything spontaneously, but not reasoning skills. It takes time. You have to struggle for that. Otherwise, everybody will become an Einstein now.
yes,
You know that Einstein is utter failure. You're aware of that or not? During his childhood, nobody recognized that he was almost a mentally retarded fellow like that society treated. His patience has brought them. Okay.
yes,
So the more you do, suppose you fail 100 times, you are successful in one not first attempt. It doesn't mean that you wasted time. You have learned that 100 times how to fail. You learned, so you won't adopt those methods. That one not one is the correct route. You learned about the truth. So that much patience you should have should get a problem. Some formula answer we got. Next problem. Finishing the assignment. What is the use in that? That mathematics, you'll hold that Cengage book. Okay, they'll open that, all solutions will be there. What is the use of that? Right, come back to this. So you have a force function. See, actually, you know that when we say R vector, what is that? This one, remember this vector?
yes. Side to side basis vector.
Remember this?
Yes,
Numbers.
sir.
So here we generally write like this. This implies that this force is an, sorry, F equals minus dou U by dou R. This implies what is Fx?
Minus dou u by dou x.
This is the
Minus
meaning of this. Okay.
dou u by dou minus dou z by sorry, dou u by dou
Correct,
z.
Alana?
Yes, sir.
Right. And you can develop the force. Agreed. Such
Yes,
forces are called as conservative forces.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, a force which obeys is called what?
Conservative force.
Okay, with your little knowledge, I'll tell. Let us for assume gravitational force. What is gravitational force?
Sir,
Mg, no?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Minus
sir.
Do you
downwards.
agree?
Agree, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Sorry.
sir.
We'll take Mg. Understood this?
Yes,
Mg,
sir.
no? Next, what is the gravitation? Your knowledge for a while will take this. Mgh, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is height h. This is the Earth's surface. Okay, this is the gravitational force. This is what we learned now. At least basic schooling, what you learned.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing but u is a function of position. What is the function of position? Y.
Right.
That is nothing but h only, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. That means what is dou u by dou y means?
MG.
Mg into dou h by dou h. This is mg. Do you agree with this?
Yes,
Minus dou u by dou y is minus mg, no?
yes,
What
sir.
is this gravitational force only, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Gravitation
Yes,
force.
sir.
That means gravitational field satisfies this, no?
Yes, sir. Satisfied.
Hence, we call gravitational force is a conservative force. Followed what I am barking?
Follow, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Yes.
See, these are the essential chapters Newton's laws, friction, work for energy to forge ahead in entire physics. If you are weak in these, other chapters will trouble you a lot. That is the reason why I am going slow with this. Once you are thorough with this, then we can rush up like anything.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I
Yes,
didn't
sir.
One,
understand. Can you explain this once again, sir, please?
see, this
That's
is,
not what.
in childhood, what is when it is at a height, what is the potential energy you learned? MGH, no? Remember?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now here U is position, no? What is that position? Y only, no?
Yes, sir. Why?
Yes, sir.
Why only, sir?
I'll write like this. That means U varies with Y. So I'll find dou U by dou Y. I'll get this only, no?
Yes, sir.
Till here you followed, no?
Follow, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what is minus dou U by dou Y? Minus mg, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus dou U by dou Y is mg. Minus dou U by dou Y is minus mg.
Minus.
Minus it.
Yes, sir.
That is nothing but force of gravity downwards, no?
Yes, sir.
Downwards, sir. Gravitation
That
force.
means gravitational force is which for? Since it obeys what?
Uh, F is equal to minus dou U by dou R.
Understood this? Any
Understood.
force that obeys that is called a conservative force. Understood what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
That's it.
Great, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
For 1 minute, sir. Sir, completed, sir.
Right. Now, let us get back to the definition of this. F is equal to minus dou u by dou r. What is that F? A conservative force.
This is conservative.
Now, if you write like this is nothing but F dot dr on F dr.
Yes, sir. F dot dr. F dot dou r.
Agreed?
Yes, sir. Agreed, sir.
Hello?
Agreed, sir.
So now this can be, okay, I'll put like this. Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Good, sir.
Initial, final. What is this actually? Do you agree with this or not?
Agree, sir.
What is the meaning now?
Yes, sir. That is the
Sir.
This is work. Now we have conservative. All this is conservative force now.
yes, sir. Conservative force.
So the moral of the story is work done by all conservative force is minus delta U. Agreed. And work done by all forces is change in kinetic energy. See, this is all forces. This is only conservative. Understood this?
Yes,
So
sir.
whether you understood earlier things or you feel difficult and all, this is if you know this much, that is enough. Work done by conservative force. But you doing our numericals by conservative force equals minus of negative of
Change in potential.
change in potential energy. Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Okay.
Now it is visible.
Yes, sir. Now it is visible, sir.
Completed, sir.
Hmm?
Great.
1 minute.
Completed, sir.
Abrar is racing ahead in noting down. Generally, you will be doing slowly now. No, you are not listening, only copying.
Name also, sir.
No, sir.
Hmm?
Listening and
Name, sir.
no, sir. Listening and copying.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Sir, you said that you will send assignments.
Yes, yes, because just few, 2, 3 days, that last phase of what is that syllabus is going for SL40. So first thing I'm catering their work, then I'll come back to yours.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
You don't worry, don't be hasty, man. I'm here now. Why do you worry? Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 minutes, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us see. This is Earth. So the radius of Earth is R.
Yes, sir.
Another particle is there. This is M. Mass is M. So the separation between them is R. Based on the measure. Agreed. This is R. Till here you followed.
Follow.
Now clear.
Yes,
At any position, what is that you have in force of gravity? Remember,
yes, sir. Force of gravity.
G m1 m2 by r square. Remember this? This is only
Yes,
Newton's law.
sir. Remember.
Anywhere you come across,
Yes, sir. Come across.
Sir,
yeah, this is the gravitational force, no?
Yes, sir. Gravitational force between capital M and small m.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I agree.
Now, what is the work done by gravitational force means? It's a variable force, no?
Yes, sir.
What you will take?
Bigger.
Agree?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because this is force. You are displacing it by upward, no?
Yes, sir.
You agree with this or not?
Uh, sir, one doubt, sir. Sir,
Tell.
if a ball comes downward, the ball comes downward means then
No, then accordingly we'll see we'll change the R values. I'll tell you. Wait. This two
okay.
agreed, no?
Yes, I agree.
You know this derivative, no? Integral of this is how much?
Yes, sir. Minus 3 by 3 cube. It's getting
R is equal to
uh, R
H.
1 by 3.
so much. Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
So you are saying when it comes down, what will happen now?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Yeah, because upward side.
So how much you are getting this?
GM1
Minus
is
D
equal to
of
1 by
1 by
minus
2
1 by
divided
r.
by 1 by H minus 1 by R.
1 by?
H
Minus
minus
1
1
by
by
5
r.
R.
Now WG is minus delta, you know.
Yes, sir. conservative.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree. One by h minus one equal to delta.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree? This is final minus initial. This is on the surface of Earth. Understood this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood this or not?
Understood.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Because R may vary, no?
Army way.
Now I'll take this as UF minus UI is minus GM1 M2 by R plus
GM1 M2 by capital.
this till here you agreed.
Agree, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now I can conclude that potential energy is, do you agree
Minus
with this?
GM1.
Finally is that one, no?
That is, sir. Yes, sir.
If it is that initially it is R. Initially we have R, no? Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Initially R equals R. So what you have? U initial minus G M1 M2 by
Equal
R.
to GM1 M2.
Do
So
you agree with
minus
this?
GM1.
That is what we got now.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
And finally R equals H. So finally potential energy is how much you got?
Minus GM1 M2 by H.
Same thing you got or not?
Same thing we get. Go, sir.
Any doubt is there till here? Everything
No
clear?
doubts.
Yes, sir.
See, again, we'll come back to all this analysis in another chapter. Don't worry, just giving what is potential energy. Okay, there are other chapters where we have tremendous applications of all this. Completed.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Another 10 minutes, you can go. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Tell me if you have completed. I'm waiting for you. Right. So now, when the separation is R, what is that you have?
delta U is equal to minus G M1 M2 by R.
Okay, now suppose this is H and this is R, no?
Yes, sir.
So
Capital
R is what?
R plus H.
Here it is at a height H. This is on the surface, no? Surface,
Yes, sir.
on surface. Okay. So you can say that final minus initial means this only, no?
Delta. Yes, sir. Delta H minus delta S. Yes. Sorry, UH minus US.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Previous result.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct?
Correct, sir.
It is not correct. You should get R plus H. No, what is R here? Finally. You're taking R from here, no?
Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Now,
Minus 1 by R plus H plus 1 by R.
Hmm?
Minus 1 by
Pardon?
R plus H plus. No, sir,
This is
correct.
plus, no? Minus, minus, plus, no,
Yes,
man.
sir. Correct, sir. Correct.
yes, sir. Plus. R minus. G M1 M2 into H by R into R plus H. R squared by plus H.
Agree?
Agreed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
See, actually you are saying mg, no?
G.
This gravitational force is nothing but mg is this only, no? Remember this?
Yes, sir.
This is m2 is or m1. This is the particle m2 is m. When you are saying m2g, it is nothing but g m1 m2 by r square, no, on the surface of earth. When it is on the surface of earth, this particle m2, this is m1. What is the force between them?
Gravitational force.
Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes,
Agreed,
sir.
sir.
M2G. So you have this whole thing as M2G. H by 1 plus H by R. Do you agree with this till here?
Agreed, sir.
Now what is M2? M only, no?
Yes, sir. Small m.
Actually, this is the potential energy. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now, see, when we say delta U equals mgh if and only if h is very small. Not always. Understood the story?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, when you say potential energy of body at a height h, that is actually what? Change in potential energy. Okay? When h is far less than capital R. Any doubt is there till here?
No doubt, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute. 1 minute, sir.
Understood this clearly?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir,
Hello?
sir, complete, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So now we can conclude saying that potential energy of a mass m h, I think this is really what?
Into H by 1 plus R, H by R. Change in potential. Yes, sir. Change in potential. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is the meaning now?
Yes, sir. When height is very small compared to the radius. Yes, sir.
Clear? So
Clear.
understand what is actually MGH. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 10:30. Right. Till here, any doubts are there?
No, sir.
No doubts.
Right. On this concept, tomorrow we'll do some problem. Then you'll get better idea. Okay? Right, right. Take care then. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, bye, bye.
मोस्ट वेलकम। आज हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं, तो थंबनेल में डेफिनेटली आप लोग
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, bye, bye.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, one doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, this is for gravitational force and the displacement in opposite direction, sir. Means when,
Nice.
yes, sir. So when going down, we will see tomorrow, no, sir.
Here what will happen, he'll tell.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
See, this is F, this is displacement. However, remember, F you should take minus dr cos 0. Why? R is decreasing, no?
Yes, sir. Displacement is decreasing.
Previously, dr is positive because from R it is going to R plus dr. What is the change in that? Dr. Now it is going from R to what? R minus dr. What is the change?
Minus dr.
Now you will get the same thing, no?
Yes, sir. Same thing, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Any more doubts?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
So how is Corona in Dubai and Riyadh?
Yes, sir. When we are now it is big problem, sir. Vaccine is not starting people. Again, we
Starting
are going.
again? Again?
Sir, again, we are going to lockdown, sir.
No taxes, nothing is moving, huh?
Sir, no, sir. It is inside the country. It is as usual, but flights, shipments, it is all closed, sir.
Oh, within, so you can move on road, all that is not there.
That is not there.
Your enjoyment, there is no problem.
Enjoyment is not there. We are rarely going out.
No, you don't have college school, huh? You're not going.
No, sir. Online class. Now
That is
also,
that is lockdown, huh?
no, sir. Online class is there, but live classes are not there, sir.
Mhm.
Like that lockdown, sir. Inside the country it is free, but for shipments like that, cargo, like that things stopped. From outside the country, no one can enter inside.
Okay, okay. Mhm. So you're struggling for studies then.
No,
Enjoying
sir.
or struggling?
Sir, enjoying, sir. Little difficult. My marks are very less, sir.
Leave about marks. I told you no. First year is a beginning. I told Afzal sir after it reopens, he'll pick up. Let us see.
Yes, sir.
The
I can.
only thing is attendance should be there.
Yes,
And
sir.
you're a regular student. No? And if you listen to the Danes class, you're improving, no? That is improving or not?
Improving, sir.
Those problems are different from what we do in IIT, you have seen?
Yes, sir. Very different, sir. Mains level.
Mm-hmm. I
Yes, sir.
told others also to attend for that reason only. But nobody, very few are attending. I think on an average only 26, 27 are coming, not to any class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, in every class.
Not
Same.
more than that.
Not more
No,
than
sir.
that.
30, 31, that is low. The beginning they used to come, now no more here, no?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir. It is true, sir.
In the beginning, in the math class, there were used to be 35 students, sir.
Now it is not there, man. Never I saw 35. Now. Earlier they used to be. Now 26, 27 maximum. At 28. Beginning they are 28 of the class, slowly it becomes 26, 25.
Yes, sir.
In maths, it is worse, sir. Only
How much?
15 are there to learn.
25
Mass is
only.
mass still decreasing, huh?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. In
Yes, sir.
maths,
Day
even
before
less, sir.
yesterday, only 12 students.
Wait, what happened?
Don't know they are leaving the class in middle and going.
No, you people used to enjoy maths, no? Always a maths used to say, no?
Yes, sir. Maths. Enjoying, sir.
Hmm. Anyhow. Remember, physics is the heart of your engineering. At least you are aware of that.
Yes, sir.
Engineering definition is nothing but application of physics to real life situation is only engineering. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And why BPC people are cupped is for finding that medical electronics. the devices which undergo that MRI, ECG machines, all that requires physics, no? Stethoscope working.
Yes, sir.
So to what is happening inside the body to study that, they use devices. Those devices functioning, they should know only if they know physics, no?
Yes.
Okay. Right then, we'll continue tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, sir.